Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change axis level position in Excel chart. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Microsoft Excel software. Then open your Excel spreadsheet. Now you can see here are my sheet with chart. Now I change axis level position in this chart. Select this chart, then go to chart design. Now you can see here are add chart element. Now choose axis. Now here you can see here are primary horizontal or primary vertical. Now I choose primary horizontal. Just press it. Now you can see I change axis level position in Excel chart very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.